This video will guide you on how to create a Telegram channel. But before we go straight into the video, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell. Why? Because we post regular tech related videos. You don't want to miss out on any of our recent videos. So let's go straight into the video. You want to head straight to the Telegram app already installed on your device, and you want to use this button here that looks like a pen, and then you can check the top part on your device and you have new channel. You can click on new channel and you get to name your channel. So let's name our channel Make Money Online, and I give it a description: payout regularly. Payout regulars. Okay. Then let's add a picture to it. You can use emojis and let's wait for it to load up, and there you have it. You make it public, you can make it private. It all depends on what you want. Then you click on the mark button. Okay, so you need to decide if you want to make it public or you want to make it private. All depends on what you want to do on Telegram. It all depends on what you want to use the channel for. So you get to decide, but I'm going to leave it on public. Then you are required to use the public link. So since the channel is about making money online, so let's just put making. Let's fill the column here, making money. Okay, it says the link is already taken, so let's just see if numbers are accepted. Awesome. It said this is available. Then you can mark that, and here is if you happen to be a user of Telegram before now, you have your contact list and you can actually invite as many as you want to join. And from there, invite. Okay, I'm just going to invite someone, very few persons. Okay, I'm just going to invite very few persons. So okay, so the Telegram channel has been created, and we'll be uploading videos on how you can monetize your Telegram channel. Also, Telegram channels can be monetized as well. This is what it entails to open a Telegram channel. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the videos. Bye.